Hello everyone, welcome to Learn German with Happiness. If you are new here, kindly like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. So today, we are learning something very important and practical. How do we calculate in German? How do we calculate in German? In German, the word to calculate is called Rechnen, and calculation is called the Rechnung or the Rechnungen for plural. The Rechnungen for plural. Before we go into what we have today, we are going to recap on numbers. Zahlen from 0 to 10, from 0 bis 10. We also need numbers to calculate. So now let's recap on numbers 0 to 10. 0, 0, eins, 1, zwei, 2, drei, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Act on numbers 0 to 10. So now let's go into calculations. How do we calculate in German? We use addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So addition, the first one is addition. Addition in German is called plus. That is what we call plus in English. For example, 2 plus 3 ist 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So in German, if you want to use equal to, we say ist or gleich. Ist or gleich. So the example I gave, 2 plus 3 gleich 5. 2 plus 3 ist 5. So we can use ist or gleich to refer to equal to. Another example is 10 plus 9 ist 19. 10 plus 9 ist 19 oder 10 plus 9 gleich 19. 10 plus 9 is 19 or 10 plus 9 equal to 19. Subtraction. Subtraction in German is called minus. 3 minus 2 ist 1. 3 minus 2 gleich 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Another example is 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 5 gleich 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Division. Division in German is called geteilt, durch. Geteilt, durch. 6 geteilt durch 2 ist 3. 6 geteilt durch 2 gleich 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Another example is 10 geteilt durch 2 ist 5. 10 geteilt durch 2 gleich 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. Multiplication. Multiplication in German is called mal. Mal. 2 mal 3 ist 6. 2 mal 3 gleich 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 equal to 6. Another example, 4 mal 2 ist 8. 4 mal 2 gleich 8. Now, let's practice this question and write the answer in the comment section. 4 plus 3 ist dash. 4 plus 3 ist dash. 9 geteilt durch 3 ist dash. 10 minus 7 ist dash. With this lesson, you can confidently do basic calculations in German. And if you enjoyed this video up to this moment, kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share this video to your friends to get more of this video. See you in the next one. Bye.